Dry powder ball press is mainly used for non-ferrous and black metal powder pellet making directly into the furnace smelting. Improve the added value. The production line equipment of dry powder ball press is a complete set of equipment for making balls from raw materials. It reduces the technical requirements for operators and the number of workers, effectively reduces the need for manpower in the later stage of production, reduces the production cost, and improves the market competitiveness of enterprises in their occupations. Dry powder ball press production line has 4 advantages: a high degree of initiative, reduce the intensity of work, the secondary production capacity is large, can meet the production needs of large mineral powder limited enterprises. 3. Dry powder ball pressing production line can realize continuous operation, can meet the needs of enterprises uninterrupted operation. 4. Dry powder ball production line function is reliable, stable, equipment maintenance is simple and convenient, so that customers worry, labor saving.